boys, we made it! We made it!
Compton, boy, Compton, yeah!
Compton, bro. Alright, we out here boofing everywhere. But we made it, though. We made it, that man's will be geeking, bro. Don't be wearing a jersey so he fits in with the rest of the crowd.
Chill.
I'm gonna switch off between this camera and the GoPro because I don't feel like ruining this one, so yeah.
Use the GoPro, I already have mine.
Yeah. Alright, we're on the GoPro now.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are, bro. Chill.
No, oh, it is a Oh! Oh, I see you, boy.
Yes, he figured out the hard way.
Bro, he was an alcoholic, though.
Alright, Big J right here. He lost his wallet earlier, and it has it right on that sign that they found it. Freaking hilarious.
That's so nice. I was freaking out.
His day was over. He wasn't even having fun anymore. And now he's a grown man.
Grown man with some grown responsibilities.
Oh. Ow! Who lowered that? It just crushed my head.
The guy did.
That guy just crushed my head. The freaking ski guy just crushed my head. I was getting on and he closed this stupid metal thing on me.
Dude, that guy just off the lift.
We already did a few runs today, but we're just warming up. Now we're gonna do some serious stuff and bomb some junk and then blow a gasket. All right, round one. You're stuck. You're freaking stuck.
Alright, everybody. Second run on the backside. Chris is gonna follow me. We're so cool little dandy place, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you right?
Barbecue?
I'm so confused.
Why is there something here?
Show me what you got. Show me. So good.
Show me what you got. Show me what you got.
It's a.
What is this? It's the same exact thing. Look, this is what I got. And he got the same exact thing, but this is what he
taste mine?
I want to see the thing I ordered.
Oreo, bro.
What did I order? That's not what I ordered. Oh.
Here my whistle goes.
Oh my god.
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Oh. 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 Step 1, grab the bottle. Step 2, lift the bottle. Step 3, tilt the bottle. Step 4, pour. Avalanche, avalanche, oh no.
You'll be using a little boy's room if you pour too much, dude.
Alright, that's the end of this video because I don't freaking feel like filming anymore and I'm tired. And I'm just going to bed right when I get home. So yeah,
He's not happy.
goodbye.
He's not happy. He's not a happy camper.